Today let's discuss about
What are you doing during your spare time?
me. I like to play piano.
Oh, is it easy to play piano?
No, I still remember my first time I tried to play piano with my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. It's hard, but now it becomes handy. You want to know the secret? It's the power of math! My first time when I saw the piano seat, I didn't even know which note to play and which bar to read. I will show you my problems and tricks. The piano seat normally it will be presented this way. My first impression is to play the first bar with left hand and second bar with right hand, just like reading. You start from left to right and top to bottom, but it works the opposite way. Until I remember the concept in x and y axis. Top and right side is positive number, so I play top bar with right hand. Bottom and left side is negative number, and I play bottom bar with left hand. So let's remember that the right hand is positive and left hand is negative. Now I know which bar to read and the relation between my hands, but I don't know where do I put my fingers, what position should I put my fingers, and again it's all with math. In piano we need to number our fingers, but they have a special way to number it. It is definitely not this way. Here is the way. Thumb is 1, pointer is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and little finger is 5. And while we overlay it with the number line, it matches.
What happened, Alex?
I'm having a problem reading this music sheet,
Oh,
but I think I can solve it with the odd and even concept. When reading music sheet, it could be very confusing. My trick is grouping the notes into two groups. First is the notes in the line, second is the notes in the space. And I do grouping to my fingering too. First is odd number group. Remember, 1 is thumb, 3 is middle finger, 5 is little finger. Second is even number group. 2 is pointer and 4 is ring finger. In the first position, we will combine first group of notes with first group of fingering, and second group of notes with second group of fingers. When we change into another position, then we need to switch our combination too. Example, in the second positions, we need to shift our hand. As a result, we need to combine the first group of notes with the second group of fingering, and second group of notes with the first group of fingering. This trick helps me to analyze the pattern faster.
what happened again, Alex? Are you okay?
The music is too fast. I couldn't catch up. But I think I can simplify it. Let's listen to the part of the Can Can song. Sounds frustrating to play this part, right? Because it is too fast to play. But if I connect all of the notes, I could get the graph. Let's examine. If it goes up, then I will play the key to the right direction. If it's straight, then I will play the same key. If it goes down, then I will play the key to the left direction. And I could combine it with grouping concept from the previous explanation. Finally, I'm ready to play.
What are you doing, Alex?
Oh, I'm counting and playing.
Oh, playing? Counting?
Yes. Do you know that 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3 is not the same?
Really?
The result may be the same, but the process is different. It's shown in the piano chord. Let me explain. To play major chord, we use 4 plus 3 formula. To play minor chord, we use 3 plus 4 formula. Example, C major. First, place your thumb on C, then count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place your middle finger. Next, count 1, 2, 3, 3. And place your little finger. How about C minor? First, place your thumb on C, then count 1, 2, 3. Then place your middle finger. Next, count 1, 2, 3, 4. And place your little finger. It goes the same with the rest of the chord. Can you hear the difference between 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4 now?
Oh, Alex, do you like 4 Alice?
Yes, I like 4 Alice and Beethoven, who I think like math. You know that Beethoven had a hearing problem, yet he can make such beautiful piano song. He liked fraction and number pattern, so he used it in his creation. Let's hear to one of his masterpieces, the Fifth Symphony. There's a connection between Beethoven's Fifth Symphony and the Morse code. Although approximately 30 years separated, this pattern is used for Morse code during World War II. Ludwig van Beethoven composed his Symphony No. 5 over 4 years. He wrote it when he was in his 30s and facing increased hearing loss. The work is in the key of C minor, a key he often used for compositions that are powerful, turbulent, and heroic. In Morse code, V is ... dash, or 3 short clicks and 1 long. People equated it with the opening of Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. That 4-note motif was played on the timpani before every BBC wartime broadcast to Europe. The publicity about Beethoven and the V for Victory campaign continued in the American press for the duration of the war. V for Victory. Beethoven's Fifth Symphony was critical in the victory of the Allies in World War II. The familiar first 4 notes convert to ... dash in Morse code, indicating the letter V for victory. Winston Churchill urged citizens to display a V wherever they could. He called it the symbol of unconquerable will of the people. BBC Radio played the 4 notes on the timpani 150 times a day before every news broadcast. Such a long history, isn't it? That will be the end of my long story today. Thank you for watching. And goodbye. Wish me for victory.